Hello guys, I'm already tired as you can see, and I'm out of time. I was supposed to attend the funeral today, but the thing is, today is the last day for me to finish everything here and also take 30 wheelbarrows of sand that other side on my grandmother's yard to my yard. So it's, it's like 50 meters. Yeah, 50 meters. I have to do 30 wheelbarrows. My friends are not going to help me with digging tomorrow. It's not going to be fair to them because we only talked about mixing. That's all. And mixing alone, it's a lot of work. A lot of work. So today I have to finish digging and also put in the rocks so that tomorrow they find everything smooth. So there are a lot of stones that side. So it's very hard to dig. It's very hard. They are coming. I have to cook for them. I have to collect wood because I want to cook outside. I can't cook at the stove. The pot that I want to use is way too big for a stove, so I want to cook outside. That means later today I have to take my bike and go to the and go to the forest to get some wood, pieces of wood, maybe 8 or 7. There'll be enough for me to cook for 2 hours while we're busy mixing the sand here. So it's a lot.
Dance with Calvin Nash tonight. Bold and fresh, they set the tone, turning brands to diamonds shone. South Africa's crown, they own the throne. Calvin Nash never works alone. Calvin Nash, oh, feel the vibe, spinning magic, let's collide. Profile sleek, oh pure delight. Dance with Calvin Nash tonight. They shape the dream, making visions the brightest beam. Step by step, they lead the team. Oh, Calvin Nash, you're supreme. Calvin Nash, oh, feel the vibe, spinning magic, let's collide. Profile sleek, oh, pure delight. Dance with Calvin Nash tonight. The brightest beam. Step by step, they lead the team. Oh, Calvin Nash, you're supreme. Calvin Nash, oh, feel the vibe, spinning magic, let's collide. Profile sleek, oh, pure delight. Dance with Calvin Nash tonight.